Hey there, is your Lenovo tablet screen acting up and leaving you feeling frustrated? Don't worry. This week, we'll guide you on how to fix Lenovo tablet screen not working with some straightforward tips and tricks to get it back in action. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore practical steps to diagnose and potentially fix screen-related issues on your Lenovo tablet. Whether it's unresponsive, flickering, or entirely blank, these troubleshooting tips can help you resolve the issue without a trip to the repair shop. Step 1. Perform a soft reset. The first step to tackle a screen issue is to perform a soft reset on your Lenovo tablet. This process is quick and often resolves minor glitches. Press and hold the power button for about 10 to 20 seconds. Wait for the tablet to turn off and then release the button. Turn your tablet back on to see if the screen functions properly. A soft reset refreshes the system and often resolves unresponsive screen problems. Step 2. Check for physical damage. Physical damage is a common culprit for screen malfunctions. Carefully inspect your Lenovo tablet for any visible cracks or dents on the screen. Observe the screen under good lighting for signs of damage. If you find any, consider taking the tablet to an authorized service provider to replace or repair the screen. Remember, handling the device with care and using a protective case can prevent future damage. Step 3. Adjust power and display settings. Sometimes screen problems can stem from incorrect settings. Review your device's power and display configurations. Navigate to Settings, Display and check brightness levels and timeout settings. Ensure adaptive brightness is turned off, as it can sometimes cause flickering. If the screen ignores touch inputs, visit Settings, Accessibility, touch and hold delay, and adjust to shorter durations. After making these adjustments, check to see if the screen issue has been resolved. Step 4. Update software and apps. Outdated software or apps can lead to screen malfunctions. To keep your Lenovo tablet running smoothly, make sure its operating system and apps are up to date. Go to Settings, About Tablet, System Update, and download any available updates. Check for app updates through the Play Store, as outdated apps can interfere with screen functions. By ensuring everything is updated, you maintain optimal performance and minimum screen issues. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. If none of the other steps have resolved the issue, a factory reset might be necessary. Note that this step will erase all data on your device, so back up important files first. Go to Settings, System Reset Options, Erase all data. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. A factory reset restores your tablet to its original state and may fix persistent screen issues. Fixing a Lenovo tablet screen not working might seem daunting, but with the right steps, you can potentially resolve the problem yourself. From performing a soft reset to checking for physical damage and updating your software, there are various methods to troubleshoot and fix common screen issues. Always remember to back up your data before undertaking more drastic solutions like a factory reset. If you've tried all these steps and your screen still isn't working, it might be time to reach out to a professional service center for help. With patience and the right approach, you can soon have your Lenovo tablet functioning perfectly again. Good luck and happy troubleshooting.